yeah.
I buy a new car for the people. I tell down the mama. You can't even talk to the people. Room with bosses and shit. I pull up in Rari's and shit. With choppers and Harleys and shit. I be Gucci down. You wearing the cars and shit. Yeah. Month club. Yeah. Hurricane Michael Duck. Yeah. Triple homicide. Put me in a chuck. Yeah. Triple cross the plug. We do not play fair. Yeah. Got them tennis chains on and they real blingy. Draco make you do the chicken head like chingy. Walking Neiman Marcus and I spend a life 50. Keep receiver caution shooters. They be right with me. Bad, cute face and some nice teeth. 7,500 on the Saint Laurent jacket. Yeah. Be careful when you dumping your action. I ain't no sucker, I ain't cuffing no action. The streets raised me, I'm a hoe. I bought a Rari just so I can go faster. Trying to copy me the plan, catch a tuna. I might pull up in a ghost, no catch a tuna. I been smoking gas and I got no. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Yeah, 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 in my bank account. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shooters ready to gun you down. Yeah, 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 dawg. Yeah, not for real, dawg. Ready about to see I got a house to live, dawg. Wanna see about it? Get you killed, dawg. Wait, wanna tweet about me? Get you killed, dawg. Well, dawg, I'm a real dawg. You a live, dawg. Chill, dawg. Wanna build, dawg. Chase the meal, dawg. Don't right in your view like O'Neal, dawg. Shut I shoot like Reggie Mill, dawg. Chopper sting you like a hill, dawg. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Yeah, 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 in.
How's school doing?
Hey, why did you do that? Takes me out of my world.
Yo, join my world. You can with me if you wanted to.
I can get them both. I don't want to choose, and I'm quick cutting off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't with you. I'm a boss to a record, I make bloody move. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party. I'm there, I get paid a fee. I be in and out them banks so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a about who in front of me. Drop 2 mixtapes and
You stole my food.
I don't bother with these.
It's always steal food.
Bother me. They go, some who they tryna be. Look, I might just fill in some bait. I might
Yo,
just do with the boo. I might just fill on your
Follow.
face. Feel like a lake. He wanna sue with his face. I'm like, okay. I let him get what he want. He buy me East and LeBron. And then you whip. When I go back to the horse, I got this truck in the front. I'm the highest in the streets. Know you probably heard of me. Gotta
I will beat my
face.
meat. I
No,
will
it
beat
ain't
it
cheap.
forward.
And I pay my mama bills.
Hey guys, I was beating my meat. I was beating it to the street. I was
You
beating
build your business through dedicated talent, preparation, and hard work. Authorize.net can help you accept payments anywhere, so you can exceed
Someone
your
join.
reach and share what you love with the world. See what Authorize.net can do for your business.